Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 lineup might arrive later than expected, as new reports suggest a delay in production and launch. According to a recent leak from the ILEC, Samsung won't begin mass production of the Galaxy S26 Plus until January 2026, pushing the expected release of the entire series further into the year. The reason behind this delay appears to be a last-minute change in Samsung's lineup plans. The company has reportedly decided to cancel the Galaxy S26 Edge and replace it with the Galaxy S26 Plus. This unexpected switch has caused Samsung to reschedule its entire production timeline, as the new model's development hasn't been fully completed yet. Initially, Samsung planned to start producing all three Galaxy S26 models, the standard S26 Plus and the S26 Ultra, by December 2025. However, with the recent lineup adjustment, only the Galaxy S26 Ultra will enter production in December as originally planned. The standard Galaxy S26 and the newly added S26 Plus will instead begin production in January 2026. This change might seem minor at first, but it has a ripple effect on Samsung's overall schedule. The Galaxy S25 series launched in January this year, and fans were expecting a similar timeline for the Galaxy S26. But now, with the production delay, it looks like Samsung's next flagship lineup may not hit the shelves until February or even March 2026. Earlier rumors hinted that Samsung could launch the Galaxy S26 series in March, but no solid confirmation has come from reliable sources yet. What's clear is that the company wants to take its time perfecting the new lineup before release. The cancellation of the Galaxy S26 Edge might actually be a good move for Samsung. While the Edge model was designed to stand out with its curved display, many users have preferred the practicality of flat screens over the past few years. The Galaxy S25 Edge received mixed feedback for its ultra-thin design and handling issues. By reintroducing the Plus variant, Samsung seems to be aiming for a better balance between size, comfort, and premium features. As of now, Samsung hasn't made any official announcements about the delay or the reasons behind the change. However, insiders believe the company is focused on ensuring the S26 lineup brings meaningful upgrades instead of rushing unfinished models to market. Interestingly, Apple might also be making a similar move with its upcoming iPhone lineup. Reports suggest that Apple plans to release the regular iPhone 18 models in the spring of 2026, while the iPhone 18 Pro models will launch in the fall. This shift could give Samsung more breathing room to position the Galaxy S26 lineup strategically in the market, without competing directly with Apple's flagship releases. Despite the delay, this may not be bad news for Galaxy fans. A later release could mean Samsung is taking extra time to refine performance, improve battery life, and enhance camera technology. The S26 Ultra, for instance, is already rumored to feature a next-generation display and possibly a more efficient processor. Meanwhile, the S26 and S26 Plus could benefit from better thermal management and design improvements inspired by feedback from the S25 series. When it comes to consumer expectations, reactions to the delay are mixed. Some users feel waiting a month or two more isn't a big deal if it means getting a more polished product. Others, however, are eager to upgrade their phones before March and might consider other options if the S26 lineup takes too long to arrive. Still, patience might pay off. If Samsung uses this extra time wisely, the Galaxy S26 lineup could set a new standard for Android flagships in 2026. The company seems determined to focus on practical improvements rather than following the thinner is better trend, which has often compromised battery life and durability. In the end, a short delay could help Samsung deliver a better user experience across all three models. The return of the Plus variant, the expected hardware refinements, and the potential design improvements all suggest that Samsung is listening to its users more closely than before. While it's never fun to wait for a new flagship phone, a well-finished product is always worth the delay. The Galaxy S26 series might arrive a few months later than expected, but if it delivers smarter design choices and improved performance, Samsung fans will likely find the wait worthwhile.